to Shay's Crafting Corner. I'm Shay, and today we are making a colorful umbrella in the rain. It's been really gloomy and rainy in LA for the past couple of days and always makes me really sad, but what makes me feel better is crafting. So let's get started.
So the materials we need are construction paper, a white crayon, markers, glue, scissors, and a pencil. When you have all those, we need a white piece of paper and a black piece of construction paper. So we're gonna put the black construction paper to the side, and because my surface is not totally flat, I put a folder underneath the white piece of paper. We're going to start off with an octagon, and an octagon has 8 sides. You're gonna draw 8 sides that connect to each other. Once you have all even sides, then you draw a line from the center to each of the sides. So it looks like a piece of pie. So you should have 8 pieces of the pie. Once you're done drawing the octagon, we're going to draw a person who's holding the umbrella. I drew a girl, but you can draw a girl or a boy. It's up to you. So I just drew a little skirt, and then now I'm drawing her legs and eventually her shoes. After I drew the little girl, I drew a puddle around her. Then I'm just adding details to the little girl and her stockings. Each piece of pie is going to be a different pattern, and I'm just going to go straight into color, but you can use pencil first if you need to. Once I finished coloring in all the patterns on the octagon, I then outlined it in black just to make it pop. From there, I colored in the girl's stockings and the girl's skirt. Then in the puddle, I just created a design off the top of my head. Once you like everything that you've drawn, then you're going to cut it out. Once you cut out your colorful umbrella, you're then going to get your glue and your black piece of paper, and you're going to glue the umbrella to the center of the black piece of paper. Then for the last step, you're going to take your white crayon and do raindrops. You can do them long, you can do them short, you can splatter them, it's up to you.
And this is the finished product. Please like and subscribe down below and leave a comment. While you're there, show me a picture of your project. I'd love to see it. Also, follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Shay's Crafting Corner. I'll see you next time. Bye!